मेरशे विशाल गोलतकर खून प्रकरणात दुबाविताक धरपाक पुलिसांक यश आयला। खुनाची घडणूक उक्ताडार आयले उपरांत कांय वरां भितरूच पुलिसांनी एका अल्पवयीना सयत 5 जाणांक अटक केली। गँग वॉरांतल्यान हो खून जाला म्हणून पुलिसांनी ह्या वेळार सांगले।
मेरशे परत एक फावट गँग वॉरांतल्यान खून। आयतारा जाल्ले विशाल गोलतकाराचे खुनाच्या प्रकरणात एका अल्पवयीना सयत मेरशेचो खापो गुंड साई उर्फ कोब्रा खांडेकार, ओमकार पांडुरंग च्यारी, गौरेश नारायण गांवस, तुषार तुळशीदास कुणयकार हांकां पुलिसांनी अटक केल्या। पुलिसांनी दिल्ले म्हायती प्रमाण विशाल गोलतकार आनी कोब्रा हे दोगूय आदी एकाच गँगात आसले, मात उपरांत दोगांय मदीं कास्किसांव जावपाक लागली आनी ते चडार पडले अशी म्हायती पुलिसांनी दिल्या। मरण पाविल्ल्या विशाल गोलतकाराचेर मारबडय, तोडफोड, खंडणी आनी खुनाचो यत्न अशा प्रकरणांनी वट्ट 8 गुन्यांव नोंद आसले।
We had registered a case of murder in which Vishal alias Narayan Golatkar was found dead with injuries on his body and head. After that, under the leadership of SDPO Sudesh and PI Old Goa Inspector Satish, various teams were formed. After detailed technical and human int surveillance as well as detailed investigation, the team under PI Satish and Sudesh have taken into custody 5 people in connection with murder of Vishal Golatkar. Sai alias Cobra, son of Tulsidas Khandekar, age 30 years. Omkar, son of Pandurang Chari, 19 years. Gauresh, son of Narayan Gawas, 25 years. Tushar, son of Tulsidas Kundekar, age 38 years, and we have apprehended one juvenile also in connection with this case. From the interrogation of the accused, what they divulged is Chari and Cobra alias Sai were the main accused. The prime accused is Sai alias Cobra. Sai and Vishal were in good relationship, but Vishal used to treat him very badly, which actually raised vengeance attitude in the mind of Sai. Sai actually couldn't tolerate the bad behavior of Vishal. Sometimes it had ended up in physical abuse as well, and it was repetitive, because of which Sai planned along with his other accomplices this activity. He provoked Vishal to come to a place where he along with other accomplices used sharp weapons as well as other deadly weapons and inflicted injury on the victim, and where from on the spot the victim died, after which the prime accused as well as other accomplices used the same motorcycle of the victim to dispose his body. So the body was taken by the accused in his motorcycle, and they disposed the motorcycle along with the dead body at the spot where the body was found.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.